Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the dollar index, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY dollar index, I still think this is possibly the end of a wave C. This move down, I think, is still like a wave 1. I still think this move up is going to be a crutch into this move down like a wave 2, and I still believe that eventually it's going to go down and make a big giant wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame and switch back to the dollar index. On the weekly time frame, I'm still looking at this move down right here as a trend. Looks to me like a wave 1. I think this is like an A, B, C, D, E correction for like a wave 2. And I still believe that we need to go up to one of these Fibonacci levels. So this move up is most likely not over yet. Eventually, it probably will go down, break structure on around the daily time frame, proving that it's over, continuing the downtrend for that big wave 3. So let's take a look at that on the daily, because the daily for me is definitely the best time frame to see this as a trend, as a series of higher highs, higher lows the whole way up. And it looks like impulsive down. It does look like corrective up. It does look like it needs to go down again to finish off a correction before it does end up continuing the uptrend. This line I have right here represents the FOMC federal funds rate for the US dollar, so I think that's when the big turn is really going to happen. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I do think that this is impulsive down, looks like a wave A. This definitely does look like 3 waves up for wave B. It seems very, very clear that this is an A, B, and then we're going to go down today at the CPI news for a wave C. Now, sometimes when the market is this clear, sometimes it is a trap, so we're going to have to reevaluate before the news, and I will be live streaming at the news today on YouTube, so we're definitely going to have to take a look at this right prior to the news coming out. But as of right now, I mean, it definitely looks like a downtrend wave A. It looks like 1, 2, 3 waves up, wave C. It looks like today's news should cause this to go down, ending in A, B, C of B, and continuing the bigger downtrend for a wave C. So an A on the 4 hour, a B, and then go down for a wave C, just like what I was showing on the 4 hour and the daily time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.